If your web browser's homepage has unexpectedly changed to a search page you've never heard of, or if you find that the default search engine in your browser's search bar has redirected you to a completely different search engine like Cybersearch.xyz, you may be a victim of a browser redirect virus. Browser redirect virus is a descriptive term used to describe a browser hijacker. A browser hijacker is a type of unwanted software that is designed to modify your browser settings, change your default homepage and search engine, and redirect your internet searches to random websites. The developers who create and distribute such unwanted software do so to generate advertising revenue by displaying unwanted pop-ups, injecting ads directly into the browser, and diverting online visitors to websites that are heavy with advertisements and sponsored content. The Cybersearch browser extension and its website Cybersearch.xyz is associated with browser hijackers, adware, and potentially unwanted programs. Once the Cybersearch browser extension is installed, it may change the default search engine without a user's permission or knowledge to redirect search traffic to Cybersearch.xyz, enable the Manage by Your Organization feature to the Google Chrome and Safari browsers, and track browsing data such as geolocations, IP addresses, search queries, and web pages visited. How do browser hijackers get on your PC? Often, users unknowingly download and install programs such as Cybersearch. Although most browser hijackers are usually distributed via bundles of free software, pirated or cracked software, torrent websites, and spam emails, the Cybersearch browser extension is administered via a phony Adobe Flash Player installer. In most cases, questionable search engines like Cybersearch.xyz will display results generated by other search engines. When using the Chrome browser, Cybersearch.xyz redirects the user to Bing.com, where it shows the search results generated by Bing. For the Safari browser, it redirects the user to webcrawler.com, where it shows the search results generated by other questionable search engines. It's a good rule of thumb to evaluate free software and file sharing programs before downloading them. Always read the installation steps, available checkboxes, and read terms of service or agreement carefully when installing third-party programs, even from trusted sources. If you click on the advanced or manual checkbox during the installation process, you will see many options you can deselect to download or not to download additional software, such as a search bar or toolbar. How do you delete Cybersearch.xyz? If a browser hijacker has infected your computer and your browser is redirecting to Cybersearch.xyz, you may need to take the appropriate steps to undo the changes made to your browser. What to do? Here are some manual steps that may help to resolve the issue. Remove suspicious programs or browser extensions, especially programs you don't recognize. Reset the web browser to default setting. Clear out the browser cache and the DNS cache. If the browser redirects persist, then it is advised to run a reputable anti-malware program to scan for, detect, and remove browser hijackers, adware, or potentially unwanted programs from your computer. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.